any species that can travel interstellar distances to reach Earth are going to have so much energy at their fingertips that we aren't going to stand a chance. There is literally no chance humanity is going to be able to put up any type of fight against such a foe.
No, I mean, think about all the episodes that we've talked about the way that you can travel interstellarly and how much energy that takes. And if they didn't want Earth to be there, then all that they would have to do is, send one of those energy forming things that they use to travel interstellarly and just send it directly at Earth. Whether that's a solar lane or it's some kind of ship moving at almost the speed of light. We talked about this before. It's just obliteration. So if they are coming to our planet and they're wanting to communicate with us in a way that isn't just obliterating us, then it would be something more like trying to take us over than it would be just trying to kill us all.
No, I fully agree. The issue is that it takes so much energy to move across interstellar distances that once they get here, they can just completely annihilate us. A ship that's capable of accelerating up to a reasonable fraction the speed of light can, on its own, very easily eliminate our entire planet. I mean, just by simply turning around and aiming its thrusters at Earth as it does its deceleration burn would probably bake us in all forms of gamma radiation, strip our atmosphere, and completely destroy the planet. There's no such thing as an unarmed spaceship because anything that carries that type of kinetic energy or nuclear energy or whatever type of power source they have is going to completely be able to annihilate our planet with where we are in technology right now.
Mm-hmm.
Now, there's also the possibility that they have unlocked some other form of physics we don't know about. We typically assume that FTL travel is not possible. But let's say that your foe does have FTL travel, then sure, maybe they can get around with less energy than we anticipate on, but they have access to new forms of physics that might as well be science fiction to us, that literally is science fiction to us. So even if they aren't using vast amounts of energy to move around, they have a low energy way to move, maybe even faster than light, then that just unlocks a whole other Pandora's box of issues you're running into as your foe has access to the keys to the universe, and you're not going to stand a chance to that. A lot of these rely on the aliens being incredibly stupid, which is why humanity's able to win. And as far as realism goes, unsurprisingly, that's probably not the case.
Yeah, I mean, you're talking about beings that are now seeing in another dimension. Like they're bending space time to their will.
They're literally breaking what we consider the laws of physics.
Yeah, so if those guys are there, then honestly, I'd rather take the thrusters than be collapsed into whatever kind of